At our metal fabrication shop, we had a problem with the casters on our carts. Our customers were disappointed that the casters we included were noisy and making the carts extremely difficult to maneuver, impacting their ergonomics and creating safety incidents. Although these OEM casters kept our costs down, they were costing us in other ways. For instance, since these OEM casters were poorly designed and made, they had a high rolling resistance. The casters also didn't have any bearings to distribute heavy loads, and they had standard swivel leads that made the carts up to 50% harder to push and pull. They were hard to get going, hard to push and pull, hard to steer, and hard to stop. The result was that we were custom fabricating carts that were likely to cause our customers to overexert themselves and injure their shoulders and lower backs. We discovered that back injuries account for nearly 20% of injuries and illnesses in the workplace, and that the average workplace injury was costing us between $62,000 and $81,000. We didn't wish that upon anybody, especially our customers, so I did some investigating. I discovered that a company called Caster Connection makes casters that are specifically designed, engineered, and built to make OEM carts easier to push, pull, and maneuver. The company's CC Apex casters, for example, feature sealed bearings that distribute loads. They also include extended swivel leads that make carts easier to push and steer, especially when the carts are overloaded. We tested these casters on some carts, and we were surprised at the difference they made. In fact, they made carts at least 35% easier to pull and push. Now we know that the carts we fabricate are going to be easier to maneuver, safer to operate, and more reliable. Our customers appreciate this. I never thought 4 little wheels could make such a big difference to our customers and to our reputation.